How to delete comment history on TikTok. First, you have to make sure that you're using the latest version of your TikTok application. Now, launch or open your TikTok app. And then, in order for you to delete comment history in TikTok, you must go to your account and then click this profile here. Tap these three lines at the top right corner and then click settings and privacy. Now, once you're here, you have to scroll down and look for the option under notifications. We have here comments and history. So you just have to tap this comment history and delete your comment on any videos or post. Now, as you can see, I haven't commented anyone on my TikTok, but I have another account. So I open my other account on TikTok and this is what it looks like. Now, in order for you to delete, all you have to do is tap that one, click it again, or long press, and then click delete. So that's it. That's how easy it is to delete comment history on TikTok. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next videos.